Want to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you get here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Here, you want to scroll down and find the option of Hide Story and Live. Select that. Now tap on Hide Story From. Go ahead and select all of your followers, then tap on Done. Once that is done, any story you post won't be able to see from other people. Now tap on Your Story. Then go ahead and add the story that you want to add on your highlights. Now tap on Your Story. Now tap on these three dots. Here, tap on Highlight. Now you can either create a new highlight or add it to the existing highlights. I'm going to create one. Go ahead and name it. Now tap on Add. Now as you can see, the highlight has been added and no one will be able to view this as your story. You can now delete the story and then revert these story settings. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.